How do I get SmartCast on my Vizio TV? Vizio SmartCast is the built-in platform that allows you to stream apps, mirror content from mobile devices, and control your TV using a smartphone or voice assistant. If SmartCast is not working or missing from your TV, you can enable, update, or reset it to restore full functionality. 1. Ensure your TV supports SmartCast. Most Vizio Smart TVs from 2016 and later come with SmartCast built-in, but older models may not support it. To check if your TV has SmartCast, press the V button or Home button on your remote. If you see a menu with apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu, your TV supports SmartCast. If SmartCast is not available, you may need to update the TV software or use an external streaming device. 2. Connect your TV to the internet. SmartCast requires an active internet connection for streaming and casting. If SmartCast is not loading, go to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi, and connect to your home network. If using Wi-Fi, ensure the signal is strong. If not, use an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Restart your router and TV if the connection is unstable. 3. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause SmartCast to not load properly. To check for updates, press the menu button on the remote. Navigate to System, then check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the TV. Once updated, SmartCast should work correctly. 4. Perform a SmartCast system reset. If SmartCast is not working even after updating, resetting the system can help. Press menu on the remote and go to System, then Reset and Admin. Select Soft Power Cycle to restart the TV. If SmartCast is still not working, perform a factory reset under the same menu. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test SmartCast again. By ensuring your TV supports SmartCast, is connected to the internet, updated and reset if necessary, you can get SmartCast working on your Vizio TV. If issues persist, consider using a Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Roku as an alternative streaming solution.